but I'd rather be a beast in the hood and eat this beef. With my car saying 26 inches on his feet. Smoking so much purpose like a green and fleet. Godzilla up under the hood, blowing fire on the street. King Kong in the trunk, nigga.
You see that line? You see that King of me? You see that line? You see that King of me? You see that line? You see that King of me? You see that line?
Put that screwed up on, have his ass on it. Drop my AK, it was spraying in my pistol, it was popping, this was blowing. Nigga try, watch somebody throw the drop. Hey, it's a king being born. Got him saying that's a nacho whip. I'm on the world deal this shit. I'm gonna bring it every time. Bring it down. Shit saying like nacho dip. Got him saying get nacho dip. My kids spraying like rainwater just to get my aim better. Ask God send me a thunderbolt just to make you hate to get down the wheel. Get no beats in the bandstand. Make my car do a handstand. In the mouth, fruity purple shit is what I'm talking about. 5 more hundred, then we smoking it out. Catch me in the back with a blunt in my mouth.
You see that King of me? You see that line? You see that King of me? You see that line? You see that King of me? You see that line? You see that King of me? You see that line?
The word hit your ass like razor blades, going straight to your brain. Call it major pain, but not Damon Wayne. Walk it out. Pass me the herb, I'ma cough it out. Take the girl to the room, straight and it out. Just the way G's doing it when they're ripping this out. Straight so loud, it's like a slap in the mouth. Stupid purple shit is what I'm talking about. 5 more hundred, then we smoking it out. Catch me in the back with a blunt in my mouth. King Swisher what I'm puffing when I'm choking it out. I catch a girl so fine, then I'm taking her out. If that what it do, then she sucking me out. If a sucker wanna hate, then we checking it out. I see what tone by my side, so we dumping them out. Take the flights through the sky like the Wizard of Oz. If the witch wanna fly, then I'm pimping the hard. Some days, some J's, some fish to match. I miss the perk with the Krishna, the blunt.